Every bottle begins in the orchard, where ripe tangerines are carefully harvested at dawn.
Only the best fruit moves forward, while damaged tangerines are removed from the line.
From orchard to dock, temperature control is crucial to preserve freshness.
Quality control begins immediately, the first line of defense against defects.
Once approved, the fruit is transferred to the washing line to remove dust and residue. High-pressure jets wash away soil and pesticides, preparing the fruit for processing.
After washing, powerful air dryers remove moisture before grading.
Automated grading ensures consistent size and uniform juice extraction. Sorted fruit is temporarily stored under controlled temperatures until processing begins.
When the line is ready, fruit is released from storage and moved into production.
And now the journey continues, from whole fruit to the first step of extraction.
The first mechanical step begins, peeling the skin while preserving the fruit's juice.
Precision blades remove the rind without crushing the fruit, maintaining purity. The peeled fruit is transported smoothly to the next stage, crushing. In the crusher, fruit is broken down into pulp and juice in seconds. High-speed crushing separates the juice from the pulp, beginning the extraction process. A separation tank filters pulp and seeds, ensuring a clean juice base.
Centrifugal force removes impurities, leaving only clear citrus liquid.
The filtered juice is collected in a holding tank, ready for pasteurization.
Samples are taken for quality testing, ensuring consistent flavor and safety.
A precise heat exchange system rapidly warms, then cools the juice. After heating, the juice is quickly cooled to lock in freshness and prevent spoilage.
The final holding tank stores the juice under sanitary conditions before bottling.
Sanitation is continuous, Bellic. The same lines are cleaned automatically to prevent contamination.
Now the juice is ready for its final transformation, Hanschen, into bottled citrus refreshment. Empty bottles enter the line, ready to be filled with fresh tangerine juice.
Sterilization ensures each bottle is sanitized before the juice touches the plastic.
A high-speed rotary system fills each bottle with exact volume, minimizing waste.
Sensors maintain perfect fill levels, ensuring every bottle is consistent. Caps are secured with precision, sealing the juice inside for freshness.
When orders arrive, pallets are selected and moved toward shipment.
Each pallet is verified against the order to ensure accurate delivery.
Refrigerated trucks arrive to transport the juice under controlled temperatures. Loads are secured to prevent shifting during transit. With the load secured, the truck is ready to depart for distribution.
Logistics teams track every shipment, ensuring temperature and timing are maintained. Real-time data ensures the juice remains fresh from factory to shelf.
Dispatch is confirmed. and the shipment enters the distribution network.
The journey continues beyond the factory, delivering freshness to retailers. Back inside, the production line continues, maintaining the same high standards.
Final lab tests confirm the juice meets flavor and safety standards.
Sanitation is continuous. Every surface is cleaned before the next batch begins.
To maintain consistency, juice is blended in large tanks before final packaging. Juice from multiple batches is combined to ensure uniform taste and color.
Automated mixers ensure the juice is perfectly uniform, batch after batch. Fortification ingredients are added in controlled doses to enhance nutrition.
Sensors monitor acidity and sweetness, ensuring the perfect citrus balance. Homogenization ensures a smooth texture and consistent mouthfeel.
A final heat treatment ensures the juice remains safe while preserving freshness. After heat treatment, the juice is cooled rapidly to retain flavor.
The final blend is held under strict conditions, ready for the bottling line.
Sanitary valves ensure a sealed path from tank to bottle, preventing contamination.
Batch codes are printed and applied, ensuring traceability for every bottle.
A final inspection catches any defects before the juice is packed for shipping.
Packs move steadily into the palletizing area, where automation begins to stack them. A final human check ensures pallets are aligned and safe for transport. Every pallet is tagged for tracking, ensuring full traceability.
Pallets are moved into cold storage to preserve the juice's freshness.
Inventory control ensures the right stock is available for timely shipment.
Every batch is tracked, and lab testing validates the production process.
Safety checks are constant, ensuring a secure environment for workers.
As one shift ends, another begins. The line never stops moving. The factory operates around the clock, keeping juice production steady and continuous. Maintenance teams keep the heart of the plant running, inspecting equipment continuously. Critical equipment, like the pasteurizer, is inspected for pressure and temperature accuracy.
Safety drills ensure workers know the protocols in case of an emergency.
Clear exits and proper signage are essential for a safe working environment.
Continuous improvement meetings drive efficiency and reduce waste.
Operators fine-tune settings to ensure consistent production quality.
Calibration ensures every bottle receives the exact amount of juice.
PPE checks are mandatory, protecting workers from hazards on the line.
After maintenance, the line restarts smoothly, ready for the next production run. Every maintenance action is logged, ensuring traceability and reliability across the plant.
Waste is collected at the source, ready for recycling or disposal.
Peels and pulp are transported separately to avoid contaminating the production line.
Waste is sorted and stored separately, ready for recycling or reuse.
Peel biomass is converted into compost or energy, reducing waste impact.
Water used in washing and processing is treated and recycled to conserve resources.
Filtration and UV sterilization ensure water is safe for reuse in cleaning processes.
Recycled water is stored and reused, reducing the factory's water footprint.
Energy usage is monitored constantly to optimize efficiency and reduce waste.
Waste management and recycling keep the factory efficient and environmentally responsible.
Every bottle carries a story, from orchard to factory, built on quality and trust.
Strict compliance keeps the workplace safe and production reliable. The final packs are stacked precisely, preparing for the journey to retailers.
Each pallet is labeled for tracking, ensuring it reaches the correct destination.
The cargo is sealed, and the truck is ready to leave for distribution. The juice leaves the factory, beginning its journey to store shelves. The warehouse holds stock ready for constant replenishment of retail shelves.
Pallets of bottled juice are ready, waiting to be shipped to retailers.
Each shipment is loaded with care, ensuring the juice reaches consumers in perfect condition.
Comment what's next.